Making money with email marketing involves building an engaged email list and monetizing it through promotions, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Here's how to do it effectively. Build a targeted email list. Create a lead magnet to encourage signups. Use tools like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or GetResponse to collect emails through opt-in forms on your website or landing pages. Send valuable and engaging content. Provide useful tips, industry news, or exclusive deals to keep subscribers engaged. Use storytelling and personalization to build trust and increase open rates. Monetize through affiliate marketing. Promote relevant affiliate products from platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Include product recommendations with your referral links in newsletters. Sell your own products or services. Promote your ebooks, courses, memberships, or physical products through email campaigns. Offer exclusive discounts to encourage conversions. Automate and scale. Set up email sequences to nurture leads and convert them into buyers. Use A/B testing to optimize subject lines and content for better performance.